Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial series. We are studying Python data structure dictionary, and in today's video we will see Python dictionary method from keys. From keys method is used to create a new dictionary from a current dictionary with specified values and keys. Let's start. First we will create an empty dictionary. D1 is equal to opening and closing brace. This will create an empty dictionary D1. If you want to see all the methods available inside the dictionary D1, we can call dir method D1. It will show all the methods available inside D1. It has a method available called as from keys. Let's check information regarding from keys. D1 dot from keys followed by a question mark will display information regarding from keys method. You can see the signature. The from keys method has two parameters. One is a iterable, which is compulsory, and second is a value, which is optional. If you don't pass the value, it will be assigned to null. What does this method do? It creates a new dictionary with keys from the iterable. Means iterable will be used for as a key, means element of the iterable will be used as a key of the dictionary, whereas values are set to value. Means you can have any data structure here. The data structure completely will be used as a value of the keys. It is a built-in function or method. Let us understand this by example. We are creating a dictionary D2 from D1 using the from keys method. We will call from keys method, and here we will pass a iterable. Iterable is a container which can be iterated upon. The first container we are passing is a list. Every element of this list will be used as a key, and if you don't pass any value, then the default values will be used for each of the key will be none. If we check the output of D2, you can see a new dictionary is created having 10, 20, 30 as key. Each element of the iterable is used as a key. Values was not passed, therefore it is none. Suppose we pass the value as a tuple containing 10, 20, 30, then this complete tuple will be treated as an individual value for each element of the key of this iterable. Click on the cell, run the cell. Now D2 is created having 10 with the value 10, 20, 30, 20 with the value 10, 20, 30, 30 with the value 10, 20, 30. In case if we have a string is a container which can be iterated upon, then each element of the string will be used as a key, and the value which is passed which will be assigned to each element of the string. Suppose we are creating a D3 from D2. We are calling from keys method, and we are passing a iterable. Here in this case we are passing a string Python, and for each element of this Python we are assigning it a value as 3. Click on the cell, run the cell. D3 is created, and if you check the content of D3, then you get the output P3, Y3, T3, H3, O3 and N3. This is all about from keys method of Python dictionary, which is used to create a new dictionary with the specified keys and values, where keys are the elements of the iterable and values are the values which are specified. If the values are not specified, the values will be treated as none. Example, we don't pass any iterable here, and this, it will give you an error. Click on the cell, run the cell. You see from keys expect one argument. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit that subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.